You're watching Max Talks and I'm currently outside Maison or House 5, and Renault have got the new Renault 5 here, now in UK specification. So let's go check it out. I first got to see the Renault 5 at the Geneva Motor Show at its launch last year, then again at Everything Electric South and at the Paris Motor Show. But now this is my first opportunity to see the right-hand drive UK specification car at Maison 5, a special pop-up exhibition Renault are running until the 30th of March at Future Stores on Oxford Street in London. There, people will be immersed by screens on almost every available wall with a special interactive display, the chance to experience French pop music, buy Renault 5 merch, and of course get up close with not just the top of the range iconic 5, but the mid-spec Techno model too. The good news is there's no glaringly obvious differences between the UK and European spec models beyond the way the trim levels stack up. For full details, including pricing, you're going to want to watch my video up in the top right hand corner here, but as standard, all models feature 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, 2 digital cockpit screens, including a 10.1-inch OpenR-Link system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear parking sensors, LED headlights, vehicle to load and vehicle to grid, to name just some of the key highlights. Moving up to Techno, you'll then be given this fully recycled denim upholstery, a larger 10.3-inch driver's display, Google integration into the infotainment, a 5-hood charging indicator, rear view camera, and multi-sense which lets you change driving modes and interior lighting. There's also the option of moving up from the standard car's 120 horsepower powertrain up to 150 horsepower. Moving up to the top spec iconic 5 gives you different 18-inch wheels, the striking grey and yellow upholstery, which again is fully recycled, heated front seats and steering wheel, plus adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning and hands-free parking. There is also a special edition Roland Garros version, named after the second best tennis tournament in the world. We got to see it in Paris, albeit very briefly, and it wasn't at Maison 5. But fundamentally it's the same as the iconic 5, but features unique 18-inch alloy wheels, clay coloured wireless phone charger, exclusive grey upholstery, tennis racket handle gear lever, a satin chrome dashboard with an illuminated Roland Garros logo, and exclusive matte shadow grey paint. If you want to check out Maison 5 for yourself, you've got till the 30th of March, where you might also get to meet Jack Scarlett from the Fully Charged Show and Nicola Hume from Electrifying, Auto Express and the Midweek F1 podcast. But what do you think? Have you had the chance to experience a Renault 5 yet? Or have you been to Maison 5? Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and while you're down there, be sure to give this video a like, click subscribe and click the bell icon so as to get notified whenever I load up new content. I'm hoping to get a 5 on the channel for review very soon, so you won't want to be missing that. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'm Max, this is Max Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.